If you hold me, I'll let go. I'm not sure I said so, but it's true. I'm in love with you. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another guitar tutorial. And today we're going to be learning about the song Hold Me Never Let Go by Rocco. So first up, I would just like to say a quick thank you to this person right here for suggesting this song for me to teach. Thank you very much for that. So quick disclaimers first, I'm going to be playing this song as close and as accurate to its original audio as possible, as well as playing it as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so for the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. So first up is going to be the D major 7 chord. It's going to be like this. That's going to be a dead string on the lower E string. Then that's going to be a 5, 7, 6, 7, then another dead string. Next up is going to be the B minor 7 chord, which is going to be like this. And for this one, we're going to be using our index finger to bar the 2nd fret, starting from the A string down to the high E string. And as for the rest of the chord shape, it's going to be another dead string on the lower E string. It's going to be 2, 4, 2, 3, then 2. Yep, it's going to be dead string, 2, 4, 2, 3, then 2. Next up is going to be the E minor 7 chord, which basically means that we're just going to be moving this chord shape from the 2nd fret up here on the 7th fret. So that's going to be dead string, 7, 9, 7, 8, then 7. Then lastly, it's going to be the A13 chord, which is going to be like this. For this one, we're going to be pressing the 5th fret on the lower E string, dead string A string, 5th fret D string, 6th fret G string. It's going to be the 5th fret, 7th fret. That's going to be the B string on the 7th fret. Yep, so that's going to be 5, dead string, 5, 6, 7, then dead string. So all in all, that would be the D major 7 chord, dead string, 5, 7, 6, 7, dead string, B minor 7 chord, dead string, 2, 4, 2, 3, 2, E minor 7 chord, it's going to be dead string, 7, 9, 7, 8, 7, yep, dead string, 7, 9, 7, 8, 7, it's going to be the A13 chord, that's going to be 5, dead string, 5, 6, 7, that's going to be 5, dead string, 5, 6, 7, then dead string. Yep. Then this one, then this one, then this one. Okay, and as for the strumming pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. Yep, so it's basically just going to be like this. Yep, just like that. Now if you prefer using your fingers, I recommend using this part of your index finger for the down strums and using this part of your thumb for the up strums. Yep, so once more, down, up, down, up, down. But if you prefer using a pick, it's going to be more straightforward than that. So you're just going to be doing downward motions for the down strums and upward motions for the up strums. Once more, it's going to be down, up, down, up, down, up. Yep, and with that said, the guitar strumming pattern is going to be word for 4 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. Okay, so for the chord progression that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. So first up is going to be the D major 7 chord for 8 counts, which means that we're going to be doing our strumming patterns twice. So once again, D major 7 chord for 8 counts. One more. And same here for the B minor 7. So B minor 7 as well. And that's A13 chord. Yep, once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. If you hold me, I will let go. I'm not sure I said so, but it's true. I'm in love with you. Feels like I've been hiding, haven't tried to fight it, but it's true. I'm in love with you. So yeah, this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'll try to do it for you. And you'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. So all good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.